Hello friends, in this video we'll see difference between microprocessors and microcontroller.
Between microprocessor and a microcontroller. A microprocessor has only a CPU, and by CPU we mean just the processing power. A microcontroller, on the other hand, has CPU, some memory and peripherals, and by memory we're talking about the random access memory, the RAM, and the ROM, the read-only memory. In simple terms, and on the face of it, let's say we have interrupts, CPU, some interfaces or ports. We put this together and we get a microprocessor. Let's say we take the same microprocessor, we add some output ports, we add some input ports, we add memory in the form of ROM, we add internal peripherals, and we add more memory in the form of RAM, and we put it all together, we get a microcontroller. This is a sufficient explanation for the differences between a microprocessor and a microcontroller. It's nothing complicated. It might vary, but on the basic level, this is the difference. One, you could say, is a subset of the other.
If you visually see a microprocessor or a microcontroller, there are hardly any differences between them. They almost look identical, but are different in many aspects, like in terms of applications they are used for, their cost, in terms of processing power which they possess, and power consumption. Now, since we know what microprocessor and microcontroller is, we'll see their applications. Gaming, photo editing, creating documents are some of the basic applications. That is, a microprocessor is used where a task is not predefined, or we can say, it depends on user where intensive processing is required. Whereas, in case for microcontrollers, they are used for specific tasks. Basically, microcontroller takes input, processes it, and gives output. In digital cameras, washing machine, oven, we can see the use of microcontrollers. That is, we can say that they are predefined. In conclusion, both microcontrollers and microprocessors have their own pros and cons, and have their own us in the technical field. Both of them have played a vital role in the advancement of the technological sector. If you have any queries or suggestions, please let us know in the comment section. If you like this video, click on the like icon and share this video to as many people as you can.